Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cake jars at home. We will cover everything from preparing your delicious ingredients to assembling beautiful, layered treats. You will learn how to create perfectly portioned desserts that are not only visually appealing, but also incredibly convenient. Get ready to transform your favorite cake and frosting into delightful, portable masterpieces, perfect for gifting or enjoying yourself. Let's dive into the simple steps to craft these charming cake jars. First, let's prepare our key components. You can bake your favorite cake from scratch or use a store-bought one. Just ensure it is completely cooled. Once cool, gently crumble or cut your cake into small, manageable pieces, about 1/2 inch to 1 inch in size. Next, get your frosting ready. Whether homemade or store-bought, it should be a smooth, pipeable consistency. Finally, gather clean 8-ounce or 16-ounce mason jars, ensuring they are dry and ready for layering. Now for the fun part, assembling your cake jars. Begin by placing a generous 2-tablespoon layer of cake crumbs at the bottom of each jar. Next, pipe a smooth, even layer of your prepared frosting directly over the cake. Then, add another layer of cake crumbs, gently pressing them down to create a compact base. Continue this alternating pattern of cake and frosting, leaving about 1 inch of space from the top of the jar. This ensures room for a final decorative touch and the lid. To finish your delightful cake jars, add a final flourish. Top your last frosting layer with your favorite decorations, such as colorful sprinkles, fresh berries, or chocolate shavings. Once decorated, securely place the lid on each jar to seal in the freshness. These charming cake jars can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, making them perfect for meal prep or gifting. For longer enjoyment, they can also be frozen for up to 1 month. Simply thaw before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.